than one person messaged me asking this, and I'm a lady of the besties, so let's do my quick 5-minute mom makeup. Coffee optional, but highly recommended. We currently have like a whole bunch of foundations. I'd say the past week or so, I've really only been using this one because it's a bit lighter than the other one, and I'm real pale right now, as y'all can see. I always like to add these. These are from Target. Just gives a little bit of shimmer. Ooh, a little bit of shine. I've gotten questions asking why I mix my foundations on a dirty palette. It's dirty because I mix the foundations on there. What I like about these is these are not full coverage. They're pretty sheer, like you'll see in a second when I blend this out. I was using a brush for a while, but I'm back on my beauty blender game, okay? Then I take this contour stick, swirl around my brush, and then I just like to go into the hollows of my cheeks. I don't go super harsh on this with the excess of it. I kind of just drag it up into my hairline. And now I go in with a little bit of bronzer, and I like to just try and stack it right on top of where I did the contour. And then I'll do up at my hairline and bring it into there, if that makes sense. Then I do the same to the other side. Now is when I do go in with a little bit of concealer under my eyes, just because I get a lot of discoloration under my eyes. I always have. And then I'll use my beauty blender to actually blend it in. For my blush, I like to go in with the smallest amount, and I'll start on the apple of my cheek and sort of drag it up and sort of curve it up to my hairline, if that makes sense. For years, I never wore blush, and as someone who's super, super pale naturally, and I live in the Northeast, so I only get sun like 3 weeks out of the year, blush is a necessity for me. You know, this is not how you're supposed to do it. This is just how I do it with the same brush that I use for blush. I just flip it over, and I use that side for my highlight, which I just stack right on top, kind of like the top of my cheekbone, drag it up a little bit, and then I will put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And then if I'm being super specific, I'll get another brush to put it on my eyes, but most days I just go and put it right on top of my eyelid. Yes, I don't know how to do eyeshadow, and I also don't like the way it looks on me, even if I get it professionally done. I don't know, maybe just the shape of my eyes. So I always use highlighter as my eyeshadow. I love this clear brow gel. It just kind of puts your brows in place, so you don't really have any flyaways, you know what I mean? I get mascara, and then I actually will rub off 95% of the mascara back into the bottle, and then I'll apply it. I just realized that the less product that you have on the mascara brush, the more natural it ends up looking, and you don't have to worry about clumps or anything. Some type of lip thing, which right now I'm really loving this Rare Beauty one in the color Kindness. If I feel like I need to set something, I will take a little bit of powder and just sort of set it. Like I had a little pimple right there, but I don't always do that. And then maybe a little bit in my T-zone. And that is it. Very much so a no makeup type of look. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Monday. Bye.